Hi folks, Mark here. As always, I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and are well wherever you are in the world. You join me today in this video for a look at something rather special from Sunspel. This was actually launched yesterday and I was very fortunate enough to attend the launch event that Sunspel were having at their Chiltern Street store in Marylebone in London. And I had the opportunity to meet with many of the executives from Sunspel, to have a chat and an interview actually with David Telfer, who is the design director for Sunspel and who has designed and directly fed into what I'm about to show you right here. There is a video on my YouTube channel separately where you can go and check out that interview if you wish. I'll put a link in the description below and something popping up, I'm sure, in one of these corners. But what I have in this bag is a reimagining of what I am currently wearing. This is the Riviera Polo shirt, and it traces its origins back to the 1950s when Sunspel developed a lightweight mesh fabric that was designed for warmer days on the French Riviera, hence the name the Riviera Polo. Now, this style of polo was later adapted back in 2006 when costume designer Lindy Hemming approached Sunspel to look for some new items of clothing to feature for Daniel Craig's debut as James Bond in Casino Royale. And since then, this polo has remained an enduring part and a staple piece of Sunspel's collection ever since. This is a firm favourite amongst Bond fans the world over. Many people have several versions of this shirt. It comes in a wide range of colours and sizes and fits, but this is kind of the original that started back from 2006. This year in 2026, it is the 20th anniversary of not only Casino Royale, but also of this wonderful polo and the redesign that they did around Casino Royale. Now, they have released this new version, which is made in 100% Sea Island cotton. Now, you may ask yourself, what is Sea Island cotton? Well, it is this stuff right here. I hadn't seen it before. This is the raw material as it comes and as it's delivered to Sunspel, where it's then processed and made into the mesh fabric, which then goes into making these wonderful polo shirts. But this is a truly remarkable material. I can't express to you across the camera by showing you visuals just how soft this material is. But this new polo, as I say, it's crafted from Sea Island cotton, which is widely regarded as the world's finest. Its exceptionally long staple length creates a fabric that is remarkably smooth, breathable, and soft against the skin. It's truly a remarkable thing to feel. I've never felt the raw materials of a product like this before, but it really is rather special. And when I had the opportunity to try on the Sea Island cotton polo that you're about to see, I fell in love with it. This cotton polo that I'm wearing is remarkably soft, very comfortable. This is a size medium and I love it. I've had this for several years. I've got a couple of these actually. I love them all. Trying on the Sea Island cotton version was another step up. It's unbelievably soft. There are some tweaks, some slight design changes and amendments to this version of the polo, but let's crack into it and I'll tell you and show you what I'm talking about. So, if you go into Sunspel, everything they do is always really well packaged. You'll end up leaving a store with a bag much like this. It has a sticker over the top once it's all complete, so it's all sealed up. You know it's not been opened or tampered with. So I'm going to use a knife and just open this up. So to give you an idea of what you would see, what you would expect when you get something from Sunspel, this is generally how things come. So open it up this way. We have in here the item, which I will slide out carefully. It obviously comes wrapped beautifully in some Sunspel branded tissue paper, which I'll just give you a view of. So everything comes lovely wrapped up like this. A lot of care and detail put into that. I do have my receipt here as well, which is always useful. And then I will just slide this out. And here we have the Sunspel Sea Island Cotton Riviera Polo in all its glory. Now I'm going to unfold this in a second, but just to give you a view in comparison to my current polo that I'm wearing, you can see this is a dark colour, and they actually call this colour Midnight Navy. So this polo is a little bit darker than the standard Riviera Polo that you would have seen in Casino Royale and the version of that I am wearing currently. So this is slightly darker, and there is also some amendments to the buttons that you will notice on the front here when we get some close-up details of those. Also, as we look under the collar here, you'll notice that there is a lining to the back of the collar, which has just added a little bit more additional support on this one. It's very flexible, it kind of moves and adapts with you, which is great. This will move and adapt with you as well, but they have added that extra layer of lining just on the back side of the collar, so it gives you a bit more firmness. It will give you that bit of a crisper line and silhouette around the neck. And also on the back of the collar, you'll notice that there is also some lining on the inside here. So those extra details on the buttons, the extra material on the back of the collar, and also on the inside of the collar make some really nice additions, as well as this darker midnight navy fabric colour. Now to open this up and to give a view, you can see this is the same silhouette, it's the same cut as the original Sunspel Riviera Polo, but in this really, really soft Sea Island cotton. I mentioned earlier this is limited edition. This is really limited edition. They've only produced around 200 to 250 of these, and at the time of recording this, even though it only launched yesterday, online they're completely sold out. I think there's only one size left, which is the extra small. So these have already been incredibly popular. People have snapped these up. The only way you might be able to get hold of one if you watch this video soon enough is to head into a Sunspel store and see if they have any physical stock in the store itself. But this is a lovely, lovely take on the Riviera Polo classic. It's beautiful in this softer Sea Island cotton material. The only thing left for me to do is to put this on and give you guys a view of what it looks like on, and I can let you know how it feels. So let's do that now. So here we have it on. This is the Midnight Navy Sea Island Cotton Riviera Polo, and it feels really, really nice. This is a size medium. Again, it's the same as the polo I was wearing previously at the start of this video. I really like it. The fit, the feel, it's really comfortable. It fits lovely across the shoulders, and I really like this collar. Where they've done this additional lining on the back of the collar, it kind of gives it a bit more structure, a bit more cleaner lines, I think, and it just elevates it to a slightly smarter look. It's a bit less casual as a polo shirt, I think. You could get away with wearing this as part of kind of a more relaxed suit combination with your suit trousers and a nice blazer or a jacket over the top. I think it would work really well. I mean, I'm just looking at myself here in the monitor as I'm showing you this, and I think, yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I really do like this cleaner aesthetic that we've got going on around the collar. These points, it just looks a bit sharper, a bit more formed, but it's a lovely addition. And I really like the buttons where they've amended these slightly for this version of the Riviera Polo. So I'm really pleased with this. It feels wonderful on. It does feel really soft. It's a very subjective thing if things feel softer or not. I've heard some people have tried this on and said they couldn't really tell a difference. I certainly can. I can certainly feel the difference on my skin when I put this on in this Sea Island cotton. It is a much different material to a regular cotton. Now, cotton's already soft, but Sea Island cotton, as I mentioned earlier, is considered to be the best in the world. It is ridiculously soft and comfortable. So really happy with this. If you are fortunate enough to be able to pick one of these up, I do recommend it. Now, to clarify, I'm not paid by or sponsored by Sunspel. I bought this shirt with my own money, and this is my opinion, ungarnished, without any kind of bias. I literally bought this myself, tried it on, loved it, and wanted to share this experience with you guys at home. So yeah, I really like it. It fits really nicely over the shoulders, I must say. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do consider giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button as well, so you get a notice whenever I post something new. But yeah, really happy with this. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay well, and until the next time, take care, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.